it's time for Story Revival. And today, we'll tell you the story behind a few festivals connected by this same legend. They are Vaman Jayanti, Onam and Bali Pratipada. Now, Vaman Jayanti is the day that Lord Vishnu's Vaman avatar appeared on earth. An avatar is when a god appears on earth in a form that can survive on earth, like humans or animals. In the Vaman avatar, Vishnu took the form of a dwarf. But why did he have to do that? And how is it connected to the festival of Onam celebrated in Kerala? Or the festival of Bali Pratipada celebrated during Diwali? Here's the mythological story behind it. Once upon a time, there was a demon king by the name Bali who was very wise and very noble. Bali was a great ruler and his subjects were a prosperous and contented lot. There was equality among all and an atmosphere of contentment prevailed. No one cheated and no one told lies. All this made Bali a great, well-loved, well-respected ruler. In fact, under his reign, Bali's kingdom was like utopia, an ideal place where everyone was happy and everything was perfect. His virtues and this noble rule increased Bali's popularity by the day. And soon, he was set to rule over all the three worlds, including heaven, where the gods lived. Because he was going to perform a sacrifice or yajna that would proclaim him to be the ruler of all the three worlds. The ruler of heaven, Indra, was very worried by this. If Bali succeeded in completing this yajna, the gods would have no kingdom of their own. So the mother of the gods approached Lord Vishnu seeking help. The gods did not want to lose their kingdom. Now Bali was also one of the greatest devotees of Lord Vishnu. So Vishnu was reluctant to take on such a noble and great devotee of his. But he decided to help the gods keep their kingdom. In order to do this, Vishnu took the form of a dwarf or Vaman and appeared on earth. Then this dwarf priest or Vaman proceeded to the place where Bali was performing the yajna. Seeing a priest approach, Bali stood up and greeted Vaman. Vaman was treated very well by Bali, and according to the custom of the day, Bali was supposed to make an offering to the priest. But just as he was about to open his mouth, Bali's teacher warned him to think twice before making an offering. He had recognized that this was no ordinary priest but Lord Vishnu himself. But Bali was bound by custom and his own word to make an offering to the priest. And so he asked Vaman what he could offer. Vaman simply asked for land equal in measure to 3 of his own footsteps. The generous Bali granted the request. But just then, Vaman started expanding to the size of the entire universe. He took the first footstep and covered the whole of the earth with it. He took the second footstep and the entire sky got covered. And then Vaman asked Bali where he should keep the third footstep. Since Bali was left with nothing else, he offered his own head to Vaman to keep the third footstep. Vaman kept the third step on Bali's head and started pushing him down into Patal or the netherworlds, and the gods got to keep heaven or their own kingdom. But Vaman or Vishnu was extremely pleased with Bali's generosity and commitment to keep his own word. He had given away his entire kingdom and his own head to keep his promise. So Bali was granted a boon. Once a year, Bali could come back to earth and visit the subjects that he loved so much and that loved him back so well. Once a year, Bali could come to earth and be ruler for one day. in the state of Kerala, this annual day of return of their well-loved King Bali is celebrated as the festival of Onam, and people across the entire state dress in their best and welcome the king with grand feasts. It is a day to rejoice and celebrate together. The festival of Bali Pratipada, which occurs on the day after the new moon day of Diwali, also marks this annual return of Bali to earth to be ruler for one day. And Vaman Jayanti marks the day that Lord Vishnu's Vaman avatar appeared on earth. In fact, the festival of Rakhi or Raksha Bandhan also follows from the same story. You can find out about that legend in our Raksha Bandhan story. One story and so many festivals. So the next time, whether you're observing Vaman Jayanti, celebrating Onam or Bali Pratipada, don't forget to think of King Bali, whose generosity and commitment pleased Lord Vishnu so much. So that was the story behind Vaman Jayanti, Onam and Bali Pratipada. We hope you enjoyed this story revival and will be back soon for more.